HR people will schedule team meeting with you. They will send team invites to you, which means you will be blocklisted in the respective organization, because hiding your past organization and hiding the dual employment. Okay. They will include in the call exit management team as well to initiate the exit process, and they will request you to send you out immediately the day one onwards. Okay. That is why they will include exit management team as well. They will request you to share your screen, both the PF link, your PF account. They will request you to share your PF service history, as well as you need to log in your passbook login, because in PF there are two links, PF account link as well as passbook link. In passbook link you can able to view only PF statement alone. Now PF team, now PF organization enabled service history in passbook as well. So HR people will validate your past service history in passbook link as well as your PF link. So if they identify hiding companies and dual employment, even though one day they will fire you and also they will blacklist you, so you cannot join the new organization, you will face problem lifelong. Okay. For alternative suggestions, you can call me. My email ID and UPI ID available in this video description. Okay. So sitting with dual employment, nothing will happen. What you did, what action you taken for your dual employment, think about that and react on this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.